Alright, hello everybody, and we are on the Chew with Brittany, and we're going to do a segment called
Let's Build It!
So, today, Brittany, what are we going to build?
A bulldozer.
A bulldozer.
Yeah.
A bulldozer?
A really big bulldozer.
A bulldozer.
That you can control with a remote control.
A bulldozer. Alright, what Brittany's talking about is we're going to build the bum bum bum. There it is. The 42030 Lego Volvo bulldozer. This thing is huge. It's enormous.
The instruction manual looks like an actual book.
It does. Alright. So, we're going to put it all together here. And, maybe we'll put it in a little time-lapse thing since, so you don't have to watch the entire thing in slow motion. And, and check it out. Alright. So, Brittany, open it up.
This is huge.
Alright, here's the instruction manual. It looks like your textbook from, I don't know, high school, history class. You probably could break a wall with it. Alright. Oh, sorry. And if you look on the box here, you're not going to see my face. There it is. Alright. There's the picture that they show us. It says that it's got a working inline 6 engine. Pistons really work up and down. And here's a picture of the actual dozer. And it's lifting up some heavy stuff. So after we're done building it, we're going to see what kind of heavy stuff we can lift. I don't know.
Kitten.
A kitten?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Alright. Let's go.
Okay, well we need this piece.
That piece is the one over there. Is the one this one?
Oh yeah, here.
Boom, got one.
Okay.
back.
Where'd you go this time?
What?
Where'd you go this time? Did you go to Narnia again?
No, I didn't go to Narnia.
Where'd you go? Where did you go?
I didn't go to the bar yet.
Okay, well, where did you go?
You don't want to know.
Oh, okay.
It's crazy. There was dolphins.
Dolphins are cool.
These ones can breathe fire. That's nuts.
What?
What? Nothing. So,
Okay.
cool.
I need a
Alright, we're
beer.
at step 1 of the
No, we're on
chapter
step
2.
3.
Alright, we're on step 3 of chapter 2.
Yeah, can you find me this beer, please?
Okay.
Oh, we're back here again. What?
We're done what we were doing. I mean, we had to come back here, finish what we were doing.
Yeah, but where did everything go?
Oh. We mean the bulldozer?
Yeah, there's like nothing left on the table.
Well, you see, I kind of finished it myself. I was thinking, I was like, we're just going along and we gotta keep popping out of here well, just do whatever I want. But, so, I just decided I was gonna finish it myself and use a little bit of the beer power. I was like, shabam! And there it is.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
Wow.
I don't know why I didn't put it together like that before. I should just snap my finger as we've been playing with it. Anyway, so check this out. It does all kinds of cool stuff.
Can we play with it?
Yeah. So this is how this works. Alright, here's the controller. And it's got all this neat stuff. Oh, and I added this guy. His name's Chuck. He's a Technic guy.
He looks pretty cool in there.
Yeah. He's a nice snug fit.
Yeah.
Alright, so check this out. It does all this neat stuff. Look, you can pop these sides open. Like that. Right? You can pop the back open. And these sides go up. Like this, so you can see the engine. Look. And look, let's stop this right here. Oh, that's not gonna work. Well, I don't know. So yeah, the side's open, and it's in the back. You can see the engine, and here's the power switch right here. So you turn it on. Hear that? Oh, it's on. It's on. Okay, so.
Are you gonna put the pieces back in?
Yeah, I'm gonna lift it up real quick. See, look, so I can show everybody that the fan really works. Look, and the pistons actually move. Pretty cool. All right, so let's scoop it up. You're really grinding my gears.
Sorry.
You're grinding my gears. Off the cliff. Oh, we don't need that gas station. Whatever it is. Thanks, Chuck. Alright guys, that is the 42030 Volvo bulldozer by Lego. This is an amazing set. It took us a long time to build, and it is true, it does take a long time, like 8 hours. It took us a while, and it was a lot of fun, and it is really, really, really intricate and detailed, just like people say it is, and just like it is. So go out, get yourself one, and try it out yourself. It is a lot of fun, and it's a lot of fun to play with. Alright, thank you for watching the Chew. Subscribe, and we'll see you around.
Can we go get more Legos?
More?
Yeah.
Alright. Shabam!
You have nothing to prove, no tournament to lose, no game or competition. There is nothing to win, no need coaching or the gym. The schedule